Taking a look at a pretty handy sharpener here. It's made for kitchen knives, and it's got this rubber on the end of the handle and underneath the main unit, so it stays nice and stable. You can hold your hand. You can use it from either side, left-handed or right-handed. You can see that it has different options here. It's got the ceramic, it's got the tungsten, and then it's got the diamond. So if you've got a ceramic blade and you want to sharpen with diamond, you've got that option. If you've got something kind of rough or something that's been damaged and you want to get a rough clean, you can go through with the tungsten. And then once you've got a nice sharp blade and you're just touching it up and almost polishing that sharpness, you can go with these ceramic. And these are what I prefer for most of my sharpening. This is a really easy to use knife sharpener. You just bring your knife through over and over. You don't need to worry about angles. You don't have to worry about too much other than pulling it through and having a good secure grip on it so that the sharpener doesn't go anywhere. And it does a great job on multiple different kinds of blade types and blade conditions. Hope this helps.